Okay, check out all these Hot Wheels. This is unbelievable, isn't it? Oh my goodness. I'm still alive too. I'm not dead. This is just stuff that my buddy Mark has. Golly. Unbelievable. And I got to tell you, this Mark has really took a shine to me. I tell you what, he really likes me a lot. Oh boy. This is pretty awesome. I mean, everywhere you turn, it's just Hot Wheels. Is this not awesome? I might bring my sleeping bag and just sleep in the floor. I'm not for sure. I haven't discussed it with Mark, but it's a possibility. Like I said, he's really took a shine to me. So I'm just going to show you real quick, just scan through real quick at some of the unbelievable collection of Hot Wheels. And I'm going really, really quick. Sorry, but we got to get going. But this is just unbelievable.
Zoom those C10's.
Huh? I don't know how to zoom.
Get close to it.
Here. You take over.
That's all C10's in that case too.
Oh.
And then there's a bunch of them on the wall over there, all just C10's, the square body.
Yeah. Well,
Those are,
yeah.
like those up there, the red and tan one, the red and white one, those are over 100 apiece. I got lucky enough to buy them.
What's that? Oh,
Yeah, there's a little bit of clutter in here.
oh, it's good clutter, Mark. Good clutter. Heck. Okay. Show them how much this paint is right here. It's unbelievable. That's why they don't care.
I was gonna.
I said, did you ever know Jerry Brown across the truck shop?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we've been over there.
Jason.
Okay, hope you enjoyed watching the video. I'm in pig heaven over here. Y'all have a good day, and I'll catch you next video. Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about all these Hot Wheels. I couldn't pick just one. If he said I could have just one, I couldn't do it. Anyway, hey, y'all have a good day. I'm on Instagram, Primered is Best, all one word, and Facebook, Primered is Best. Appreciate you watching. Y'all have a good day. I sure am. And I'll see you later.